Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I've been outside in Pepper Row since the Arctic blast, and I'm doing a checkup to see how things worked out and how my peppers came through the freeze, and maybe doing some harvesting, so I'll bring you along. Okay, we're looking at my plants in Pepper Row, and these are the newer ones here. These are cayenne and Trinidad seasoning, and I have fruit on both of them, so that's good. Looks like they came through pretty well. Here is a original ghost pepper plant that I had. I have some fruit on here, so we'll be harvesting. Got to come out and do some weeding too in between the two plants here. This is another Trinidad seasoning pepper. Looks like it came through pretty well. No fruit yet. Poblano plant, Scotch bonnets, another Scotch bonnet, and another Scotch bonnet, and my Tabasco peppers. Looks like everything came through pretty well. Got to come out and do some pruning and some fertilizing, but overall it looks like they survived the blast pretty well. Let me do some harvesting. Okay, I'm going to start with the original ghost pepper plant. I normally don't wear gloves when I get the peppers, but after I get the pepper, I usually feel burning in my fingers and decided discretion was the better part of valor. So that's why I have the gloves on. This is a nice big one here. I like that one. Okay, that's it from here. Let's move to the next ones. overall, a pretty good harvest. We got, actually, I misspoke on one type of pepper. It is a poblano, very small variety, kind of like this. This is a poblano. But overall, my Scotch bonnets and my ghost peppers, got a pretty good variety of these. And although I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, I'm grateful for the harvest. I want to thank you for coming along with me while I checked on my peppers out in Pepper Row. They seem to have survived the cold pretty well. Nothing died. Got to do a little pruning, and I haven't fed them on their weekly schedule that I normally have them of every 2 weeks. It's actually been a month since I've fed them, so I'm going to have to feed them. But other than that, they seem to be well. Got a pretty good harvest, so everything's going well with that. If you're interested in anything that I use in my garden, it's listed on my Amazon storefront, which is going to be, the link for it will be in the comment section of this video. I'm also affiliated with AgroThrive biofertilizer, so if you're interested in trying that, head over to that as well. And I want to thank you for coming along. Remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a lots amount of food for yourself and your family. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow